China is executing one of the most significant military infrastructure buildups in the Himalayan region since the 2020 border crisis. Recent high-resolution satellite imagery shows a clear pattern. Beijing is turning the Tibetan Plateau into a fully networked, high-altitude air power grid. The images highlight expansions at key bases such as Ngarigunsa, Hotan, Kashgar, Shigatse and Lhasa, all strategically positioned within operational distance of Indian border sectors. What used to be limited facilities have now transformed into reinforced, year-round combat hubs. Runways have been extended and strengthened to accommodate heavier aircraft. New hardened aircraft shelters, designed to shield fighters like J-20 and J-16 from airstrikes, are being built in rows. Fresh taxiways, fuel depots, ammunition vaults, radar arrays, and UAV launch pads are visible from space. This expansion is not symbolic, it's functional. High-altitude conditions reduce aircraft lift and payload. China's solution has been to build multiple bases, ensuring redundancy, rapid rotation, and continuous operations along the line of actual control (LAC). With better oxygen facilities, pressurized hangars, and extended logistics lanes, the PLA can now deploy fighters, drones, and transport aircraft faster and deeper across the Himalayan front. China's strategy is simple. Convert altitude disadvantage into a strategic advantage through permanent infrastructure. By having more bases spread across Tibet and Xinjiang, Beijing reduces its turnaround times, increases sortie rates, and complicates India's surveillance and responsibility. This build-up follows the lessons learned from the 2020 Galwan and Pangong confrontations. It reflects China's long-term commitment to maintaining persistent air dominance over sensitive border sectors, not temporary posturing. But India has not remained passive. New imagery and official confirmations show India accelerating its own air power upgrade in Ladakh, including run tensions, ALGs, heliports, and the strengthening of forward air defense grids. And the centerpiece of this counter-response is now taking shape. India's upcoming Neoma Air Base, the highest fighter-capable airfield in the world. Barely 50 kilometers from the LAC, Neoma will allow the Indian Air Force to deploy Rafales, Sukhoi 30s, and armed drones directly in the high mountains, closing the gap China has been trying to widen. China expanded its footprint. India answered with altitude.